We are here. I'm Danielle from Pro World.
I'm Bianca.
And I'm Jessie behind the camera.
And we have our quad press. Yay!
Woo!
I love our quad press because it kind of is like an all-in-one sort of cap press. So we're going to show you all the ins and outs of it, how it works, how to press a cap, how to change the platens, all that good stuff.
And the fun little perks that come with it.
Yes. So as long as
We're here.
We're there and everybody's commenting. You can see
Yep.
the comments.
I know.
That's
We can see
wonderful.
comments today, guys.
We got this.
Hi, Cheryl.
All right. So the first thing we're going to kind of do is just sort of, do we have, okay.
What do you want to do first?
So this is our quad press. We have a couple different style TransPro cap press models. We have a manual swing press, an auto open cap press, and then we have this one, which is kind of like a tier above them.
Yeah.
And why? Because it has that semi-auto feature, so it will open up on its own, just like the semi-auto cap press. But it also comes with these 4 interchangeable platen sizes. So it is great to work with most of the caps that are out there on the market. Just by swapping out the different platens, you're able to press and to easily work with the next style cap that you're using. And it's super easy to change the platens. You literally just pop it off and swap it out.
But
like that's it.
Don't do that after you've pressed one because it can get very hot. It's just like touching like the bottom platen. But since we didn't press anything yet, it's okay.
I like the disclaimer there.
Well,
like I'm just like just pop it off. It's fine.
Because I did it earlier after I was like testing it and then realizing, oh, that's very hot. So.
And
there's 300 degrees. Look kind of toasty. Okay.
Yes, there's like a little hole at the bottom so that there's like a screw that fits right inside. So that was my little manipulation that I had to get there.
Axel says hello to my fave ladies. Deborah's hello from Georgia. Hi, Patty. Hi, Cindy. Oh, Butch is back. He was been paroled from Facebook jail.
Oh, no.
Oh, God.
All right, so everybody out there that's watching, we just kind of want to know if you're in the market for a cap press or sort of kind of want one or have no interest. So please don't do no interest. But
please don't hurt our feelings.
Yeah, so number 1, if you're in the market and you're like really, really interested about a cap press, type 1. If you're sort of in the market but not quite sure yet, you're unsure if this is the next purchase for you, type 2. And if you're like, I just like to watch you guys on Friday, I'm not interested in the cap press at all, type a 3. So that way we kind of have a gauge for, you know, what you guys are out there, what you're doing, because that'll let us know if we should do, obviously, more Facebook Lives with caps and kind of walking you through things with how to do caps.
So far we have Cheryl's a 1-ish. She has one but needs to upgrade.
Okay.
Patty would love to have one. Deborah, says thanks for demonstrating, but she's a 1. Axel's a 1.
Oh, good.
So we get.
this
is good though.
So this is good that you guys are all tuning in.
And thank you for not hurting our feelings.
But I don't feel like 3 would be hurting our feelings.
No.
It means that you guys are just watching and
That's
you like
true.
to see us on Fridays. So, you know, that works for me.
Got a lot of laughs on that one. Yeah. Saw it all pop through.
All right, so Jessie's going to zoom in so we can kind of show you how to set the cap press. So I just kind of pull it down here so I can see what I'm doing. So you hit the OK button. The OK button for all the cap presses or all the heat presses is kind of where you start off. That'll make you go black screen. Then you go, you know, you're on Fahrenheit. So we're going to just adjust the up arrow or the down arrow to get you to the temperature that you need. We're doing vinyl today, glitter, so we're at 320. Hit the OK button to get you to the next spot. Now that's your time. And we can just bump it around. 10 to 15 seconds is where you need to be for vinyl, and hit OK. And now we are set. We're good to go. That's all you had to do. So a couple OK buttons, up and down arrows, and you're perfect. All right, moving on down. So this is right here is your magnet. That is going to allow you to do the auto feature. So when you close and lock your heat press, your timer will count down, and then it will pop up on its own when the timer is good to go.
Oh, so pretty.
I feel like there's like music that needed to be played. Like, okay, so that's this top half. Now the bottom half. So you have your platen here, your interchangeable platen, like we said before. This is your cap hold down feature. So pulling it back is going to hold the cap in. Well, you start you start this way. Here, I'll just put a cap on here.
It's easier to explain while you're doing it.
So once you have your cap on the platen there, you are going to push this lever back, and that holds it nice and tight. You saw the difference? Loose, tight, loose, tight. So it's not going anywhere. It's totally stuck on. All right. Now, to adjust your pressure. If we're gonna scroll on down, Jesse. All right. So your pressure adjustment knob, I'm like, how do I position myself? This is your pressure adjustment. This way will increase your pressure. See how it's moving up? This way will release some of your pressure. And it's going down. So you just kind of want to be at a spot where you can close it comfortably with two hands. This is a semi-auto heat press. You're not going to get that same like resistance feel that you do for a manual model because of the piston release, the smooth opening, the magnet connection. So it is going to feel a little bit different. So when you go and close and lock it, that was a good pressure amount. It was tight enough so I could feel it close, and it wasn't super easy so I could just open it up with one hand.
I would say maybe you didn't have enough pressure there, but
Okay. And now, if I wanted to swap out this platen, you literally just pick it up, and then you can go to the next one. And you'll see there's a hole here for this one, and an opening right there for that one. And you just line it up, and now you're good to go with that size. And you can see there's, you know, the 4 different sizes.
and they're all pretty decent sizes. We have a 2 3/4 by 7, a 3 by 6.5, 3.5 or 3.9 by 7, and then a 4 by 9.25.
I feel like Vanna White right there.
I know, right?
Like,
and the actual element size for the heating is a 4 by 8. So that's basically the whole
size.
thing you can do.
all right, so let's press a cap. Do we have any questions?
Yeah, we have a few, but I don't want to interrupt.
Oh, by all means, go ahead. Shoot them out there.
All right, well, I have a hi, mommy, love Gigi.
Oh, my baby girl.
Let's
Gigi.
see. Let's see. I'm going back. Matt's been considering the Pro World cap presses for a while. He was considering the 2 that we no longer have listed on the website.
Ooh, because they're out of stock.
They are out of stock. Doesn't mean we don't have them anymore. They're just out. So a couple months, I think, or maybe a month or so.
Yeah, it doesn't usually take that long for them to come in. But this one, gosh, as soon as we got this one in, we sold out of this one.
Yes.
So if you're really considering it, we do have a bunch, but not a huge amount of inventory.
Right.
So if you're considering it and really want one, I mean, this is kind of the all-in-one press that you kind of want to go for since it already has the platens included.
See, Butch just said he's just here for the Facebook. Hats for me is the least usable at the moment.
Thanks, Butch.
Deborah says, love that it has interchangeable platens. Rhonda says it's great because now she can do monogramming on her caps.
Oh, yeah.
Gail said she bought one on Amazon and sent it back because it was leaving marks on the hat.
Oh, Gail, yes. That happens with cap presses. You have to kind of...
Right.
Our last cap press video, we kind of showed a way around getting the lines on the hats, especially the foam trucker hats. They're super picky, and the pressure is really kind of important for that. But using that silicone sheet, that helped us to relieve a lot of those lines and the weirdness that you get from the press.
Abby actually has one of our MP980s, which is our other hat press that we have. She would love to upgrade.
Ooh.
Gail likes having the nice sizes, and Axel wants to know if any of the platens can be used for the sides of a sneaker. I mean, if you position it right, I mean, as long as...
I don't know about that one.
Okay, because I guess because of the curve too.
There are sneaker platens for other model like flat heat presses. I feel like with the curve, that's gonna be tricky for a sneaker.
Like that too.
And I don't know about that one. That
Okay.
one might be tricky. I don't think we can get a sneaker on these.
And then Matt just says thanks for the direct response because his was the question we answered earlier. So.
All right, so let's go ahead and press a cap. So most caps, I think all caps, have that little like sweatband thing. So just make sure you get the sweatband on the front. so it's off the platen.
Because then that'll help with the pressure too, right? Because you don't want to.
And we're gonna go ahead and squeeze that down. So we're good. This is a 6-panel hat. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 6. Because it has that little seam in the middle. So we're using glitter vinyl, so we're not really gonna be affected by the seam at all. It'll just kind of straddle over it. And I just wanna.
Cheryl said until she can upgrade, she uses hers for shoes.
Oh, okay.
What heat press do you have, Cheryl?
That's good to know.
Yeah. Be interesting.
Is your anchor in the middle, Jessie? Did you make the anchor in the middle? Okay.
Yes.
Jessie did this file, so I'm not sure how she made it. All right, and we're going to cover with a nonstick sheet, just recommended from Siser to do that. And then we're just going to close and lock it. Again, 320, 10 seconds, 11 seconds, somewhere around there. And it's going to open up for us when it's all done.
It does give you a warning beep, so that way if you're doing something else, setting up another shirt, something along those lines,
And
you can get back to it quickly.
beautiful. Jessie can now go boating. Hold on, there's glitter. or weird stuff. Okay,
Oh, I'm set.
done.
So
Perfect.
fun.
That came out really
Look at
good.
that.
All right. So, and that really all there is to,
Yeah.
this model heat press. But your benefit is, getting all of these together in the one low price. So this unit costs, go ahead,
$4.95.
$4.95. You get all these platens connected with it and included. So you can do like a huge range of hats. And, not only hats, a lot of people do use the cap press for doing the tags and like the shirt label tags. You could do the sleeves. Anything that's within this like 4x8 sizing, you're able to work with this unit. So, think of other possibilities as well, not just hats.
Rather than powering on your big fancy 16x20
Yes.
heat press to do a couple tags, this is a good alternative.
Because you can really do we have a shirt? I mean, we should have a shirt. Jessie,
Clean,
throw me a
so.
shirt back there. Bianca cleaned our studio, so I don't know where anything is because.
Lorenzo, the hat press is $495. It ships for free. You get reward points for every purchase. And with this machine alone, you get a $50 merchandise credit for just $50 off your next order of $100 or more. So that's a pretty cool feature. It's usually only available for our larger heat presses.
And then just kind of, if we didn't have a tag right here, that's all you have to do. Like, how easy is that? Now you could set your transfer right there. So pretend this is a transfer. And you're ready to go. Like, super simple, easy. You don't have to, get out your whole heat press and kind of lay it down, maneuver it around. So, just another option for cap presses. It's not just a cap press.
Right. And this is the only one with interchangeable platens that comes with it.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes. No other model that we offer on our website includes the other platens. This is the only model that does. And for your one low price of $4.95.
You were just saying how you felt like Vanna White earlier.
Now I'm a used car salesman. But other than that, we're good. All right.
That's
so
it.
I guess that's all the questions that we have.
Yeah, Deborah just popped in saying that's super one price for all platens included. So that's what made
All
me.
right.
So,
Perfect.
yes.
All right. So thank you everybody for watching. And of course, if you have any questions, just send us send us an email, give us a call, message
Contact
right
us on
here.
Facebook, no problem.
And we'll be sure to answer you. All right. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.